Hello, guys, wonderful finance oracle team. We are here again today to trail you with this information that will help you to achieve your dreams. Today, we'll be talking about the Prince Edward Island recruitment, international recruitment event. Yeah, as you know, Prince Edward Island and other provinces of Canada always carry out international recruitment events. Yeah, while Prince Edward Island are tightening their immigration policies, they are also welcoming people from outside of Canada to move to the province, to work and fill up the spaces. So that's the reason why they're conducting this international recruitment event. As you all know, since 2023, they've conducted a number of recruitment events, and now they still have two events which will soon kick off and is open for sign up. And the exact date for this event will be made known. But however it is important for you to, at this point that is still open, sign up, as this recruitment event is on. One of them is in construction talent, and the other one is in talent pool. For talent pool, they're taking people within healthcare, ICT, and a number of other sectors I'm going to show you. And for the construction talent, for those who are in construction industry, whether you're civil engineer or civil technician, or you're a welder, you're a construction guy, a mason, or whatever within the construction sector, they are taking them. So if you hit up the sign up button, it's going to bring you to the next page where you can watch a brief video and then go through. But then let me just play this brief video for you. Just stay tuned. Then we can come back to the rest of it.
Imagine a place rich in history, culture, creativity, and scrumptious local food, where people are authentically friendly, where you're always close to your passions, where there's a strong entrepreneurial spirit, where quality of life and a successful career can go hand in hand, and where it's so scenic and peaceful, it feels like a storybook land. Is it possible for one place to offer so much? It certainly is. When you choose Prince Edward Island, you'll find all of these things and so much more. Maybe it's the result of endless rolling hills and being surrounded by the ocean. For us, there's always something new cresting the horizon. The Mi'kmaq called this place the Cradle on the Waves, a crescent of red earth nestled in the warm waters of the Gulf of St. Lawrence. It's a place where things grow and develop, whether it's abundant crops, fresh shellfish, epic tales, or new inventions. Even the idea of Canada as a nation was born here. Anne of Green Gables, perhaps our best known citizen, is a work of fiction. But when thousands of visitors come here to see the island they've pictured in their minds, they are thrilled to see that the shining waters, green pastures, and bright coastline they've read about aren't a fantasy. They are here, just waiting to be explored. On the island, we have always known that working together produces the best quality and helps get the most accomplished. Time hasn't changed that. Our bioscience and advanced manufacturing companies choose to work together just as much as our farmers and fishers do. Our schools, colleges, and university have been quick to respond to the changing needs of our workforce. This has been the key to being the only jurisdiction in Canada with continuous economic growth since 2008. Our province is doing well, but keeping score has never been our thing. Of course, this is exactly what makes PEI such a great place to live, work, study, and play. It's a place where your neighbors take as much pride in your success as you do in theirs. Newcomers are choosing the island at a higher rate than anywhere else in the country. Our workforce is skilled and only getting stronger, and our employment rate is growing faster than anywhere else as well. It's no wonder we regularly lead the country in business confidence. Even our early learning and childcare system rated #1 in Canada. People are attracted to a place where families can thrive and grow, just like our startups, and where protecting the pristine natural beauty around us is a top priority. Here, we say what we mean, and we mean what we say. We don't just talk about diversity, we've wholeheartedly embraced it. When we call Prince Edward Island Canada's food island, we believe it and work hard for the title. We're tenacious, and we don't let up until we can stand back with our hands on our hips with something in front of us that we can be proud of. We're ready to help you pursue your passions and your ambitions. Choose PEI.
So that is it about this video. And well, for this category, they are taken from healthcare, they are taken from education, IT, hospitality, trucking industry, manufacturing, and bioscience. And the courses which they are taking, or the programs which they are willing to run for this very um, ongoing, or this very recruitment event, is in healthcare is caregivers, registered nurses, doctors, other health fields of work. And for education, they are willing to take people within early child care, educators, elementary teachers, secondary teachers, other education's field of work. And for IT, it is web developer, programmer, cybersecurity analyst, software engineer, other IT field of work. And for hospitality, they want to take people in housekeeping, cook, other hospitality field of work. And for trucking industry, they want truck drivers, dispatcher, heavy duty mechanics, other trucking industry field of work. And in manufacturing, they want to take people within machine operator, manufacturing workers, meat cutters, other manufacturing field of work. And for bioscience, they want to take people within quality control, process engineer, other bioscience field of work. So once you are eligible for any of this, then you can hit up this and apply. But be aware that before you do this, you should be immigration ready. How do I mean by immigration ready? You should have your evaluation done, and you should also have your English language proficiency ready. So you can also check out for the construction talent pool so that we'll see um, what industries are covered. I'm not going to be playing any video for you for this, but say they need to take people within electrician, mechanic, carpenter, drywall, plumber, pipe fitter and steam fitter, painter, heating and cooling technician, construction helper, roofer, mechanic engineer, other trade and construction field of work. So this tells you that if you are within any of these fields, you would be able to migrate through this process. Okay, the same thing that happens within the health industries too. I mean, within the talent pool also. The talent pool is open for people within the healthcare and all these other industries which I've told you. So I'll just show you what a typical application looks like. Select wherever or whomever you want to apply for. And once you've done that, you can fill up. So once you've completed this, the first process is going to bring you to the next page where you can answer some general questions. Okay, what is your current country of residency? You fill it out. What is your country of passport issuance? You fill it out. Your English language proficiency, yes, intermediate, basic, expert. Fill it out. French, you've got French or not? You say no. Are you interested in working full time in PA? You say yes. Because if you don't say yes, you're not gonna be considered. How many years of full time work experience have you got? Plus five. Current position, you fill out your position. Your previous job role, you fill it out. Then once you are done, you click next. There is an error, something I need to correct. For this, you need to be within 18 and 59 years old to be eligible. So once you're done, you go to the next, and that is where you will be submitting your application. Okay. Thank you for taking the time to complete these discovery questions. A confirmation email with instruction of the next step will be sent to the address you've provided. So that is the end. So at that point, you can go to your email and check it out. So what you're gonna say is an information which will say thank you for registering for Prince Edward Island recruitment event. Please be advised that only successful candidates will be contacted for an interview. The event is being organized by the provincial government of PEI and attending employer with no partnership with any third party. You should not be charged any fees to attend or register for this event. So once you get this, you will hope and be praying that you get contacted. That is all you need to do about this event registration. So guys, if you want to move to Canada, you can give this a shot. Who knows if you're gonna be lucky? So I wish you the best of luck. Cheers.